Benny Banana and Sammy Strawberry's Sheep Farm Adventure. One sunny morning in Jamaica, Benny Banana and Sammy Strawberry decided to take their 4-year-old Jamaican friend, Rochelle, on a fun trip to Mr. Shepherd's sheep farm. Rochelle, with her bouncy curls and bright smile, was excited to see the fluffy animals. "This is going to be fun," Rochelle cheered, holding Benny's hand as they walked through the green, rolling hills. When they arrived, Mr. Shepherd greeted them with a warm smile. "Welcome, little ones. Ready to meet the sheep?" The farm was full of woolly sheep, some white, some black, and even a few with spots. Rochelle clapped her hands as the sheep baaed loudly. Adventure highlights. Feeding time. Sammy Strawberry helped Rochelle feed the sheep handfuls of fresh grass. The sheep munched happily, tickling her palms with their soft lips. Sheep race. Benny Banana challenged Rochelle to a silly race with the lambs. Of course, the lambs won, hopping around like little cotton balls. Woolly surprise. Mr. Shepherd showed them how he shears the sheep's wool. Aww. Rochelle giggled when a freshly shorn sheep shook itself like a big, fluffy cloud losing its coat. As the sun began to set, Rochelle hugged a baby lamb goodbye. "Me love dem sheep." "Thank you, Benny and Sammy." Benny and Sammy smiled. "Anytime, Rochelle. Adventure always better with friends." And with that, the 3 friends skipped back home, their hearts full of joy, and their heads full of fluffy memories. ****, the end. ***.